No one tells you in grad school that if you want to be productive, it's wise to aim to feel satisfied. So here's three ways. First, celebrate incremental progress because a lot of the academics I've been around are missing opportunities to feel satisfied every day because they believe they can only celebrate big achievements. But this is not true. Every small bit of progress counts. And if you appreciate incremental progress, you are inviting satisfaction to be an everyday part of doing academic work. Second, release urgency. A lot of us are living with a constant false sense of urgency, and so we're stressed and unsatisfied. So check in all day long. Is this urgency real or manufactured? Can you release some of the intensity? Every time you let go of false urgency, you make it possible to be more in the moment where productivity and satisfaction reside. Third, learn to monotask. This is the opposite of multitasking. So if you're a frequent multitasker, learn to do one thing at a time. That can be a game changer. Identify very specific tasks and then aim to do each one by itself so that you can have more direct and satisfying contact with your work. Let me know in the comments one thing you will do to make academic work a more satisfying experience for you.